Hi guys, today we're going to see what will happen if the rear hatch door accidentally closes on you when you put something inside. This could happen in case if your key fob is in your pocket and you accidentally press the button, or the kick sensor gets activated, or somebody else could do it to you. So I will put the bag inside and the door will start to close. I was actually ready to crawl out, but as you could see, it will stop if it senses an obstruction, and it will go back up. Another possibility, guys, either your kids could be resting in your vehicle, or yourself if you fall asleep, for example, and you have your feet out and the door accidentally starts to close again. What's gonna happen? Will it cause any damage? It's quite scary actually, but as you can see, it stops and it's very reliable. Again guys, this is why Volvo is one of the safest cars on the market. Thank you for watching. I hope this was entertaining. We'll see you in the next video.